Well, hey, everybody. Thrivalist, our freeze dried food and preparedness supply company, is having a huge sale this week, and everything on the website is on sale. Some of them, many of the things are deeply discounted, as much as 50% off. Let me tell you about it. Well, hey, everybody. I'm Bill with Live Simple, Live Free, and I'm so excited about this sale. Just like Thrive Life used to have sales back in the day, Thrivalist is also having a sale here at Thanksgiving. And instead of calling it the Black Friday sale, they're calling it the Thanksgiving sale, which is a little different, right? But what's in a name? A name is a name. The point is the discounts, and we have some very deeply, heavily discounted items. Now the sale will start on Monday, November 24th, and it will go through Monday, December 1st. So let me jump right into it and let me show you some of the deeply discounted items that we have for sale. Oh, before I do that, let me back up just a little bit. Thrivalist has their own brand of freeze-dried foods, and it's called Ready Harvest. And so Ready Harvest has a great lineup of vegetables and fruits, but they have not in the past had any meats. So what they have done in the past is sell Mountain House meat and also some Mountain House packaged meals. Ready Harvest is in the process of producing their own freeze-dried meats, and eventually they're going to be doing their own freeze-dried meals as well, I think. So the things that they are going to be producing themselves in the near future, like the meats, are going to be deeply discounted because they're being discontinued. The Mountain House is being discontinued as Thrivalist adds their own Ready Harvest meats. So let's take a look at the pricing here. So here you can see that all Mountain House items are 20 to 50% off, and you read here it says that the clearance items are 50% off, and the other items that they're still going to carry for a while are going to be 20% off. So that's a great deal on the 50% off in the Mountain House. The Pura V water, they have water that's specially designed for long-term storage. That's going to be 30% off. All non-seasonal Ready Harvest items, that's these, will be 30% off. Sweet potatoes. Okay, there's a bunch of stuff here, 35% off. Sweet potatoes, celery, corn, cauliflower, strawberries, peaches, strawberries, raspberries. And then we have asparagus, 40% off, zucchini, 40% off, pineapple, 40% off. And then they have really fabulous, high-end, high-quality first aid kits, and they are going to be 43% and 45% off. These are just top-notch first aid kits. And then for all of the preparedness items that are not on clearance, they will be 30% off. And then they have all survival items up to 50% off. And then they have a whole bunch of survival and winter clothing for up to 50% off. So you can see that it's really a massive sale. Now, let me say that at this point, if you go to the Thrivalist website, you'll see that they're Ready Harvest. They only have number 10 cans available, which is this 1-gallon cans. Many of you have been asking for pantry cans, which is the smaller. This is a Thrive Life can, but this is the smaller pantry can. They have not had pantry cans in the past, but I've mentioned this before, they have just recently purchased all of the equipment to be able to start canning in these size cans, and I'm told that they're going to start to introduce them, pantry cans, within the next couple of months. I don't know exactly the timing. I don't know exactly which items will be first. I know on our advisory board call a couple of days ago, they asked us our recommendations of which items should be put in first. So they're taking this very seriously, and they're going to be rolling out the pantry cans as fast as they can. But for right now, up to 50% off on some of these family cans is pretty amazing. Now, if you live in the U.S., in the lower 48, during this sale, there will be no shipping fees as well. Normally, you have to join the subscribe and save to get free shipping over $100. But for this sale, everyone who places an order over $100 will get free shipping in the lower 48. Unfortunately, they're still going to have to charge shipping for Canada and for Alaska and Hawaii, because the shipping is just so expensive that they would, quite frankly, they would be losing money if they didn't charge the shipping. So, but if you want to take advantage of free shipping and you live in the U.S., this is a great time to do it. And then after that, then you can get the free shipping and 10% off of every order if you join the subscribe and save. So, if you've never tried freeze-dried food or you've never tried Ready Harvest from Thrivalist, this would be a great time to try it for the first time. I know many of you purchased the sample kits, so you've at least had a taste of what it's like. This is a great time to stock up. And if you're already buying Thrivalist, Ready Harvest, it's a great time to stock up. I mean, what else can I say? Great deal. You probably won't see these kinds of prices again for quite a while. So take a look at the website. It's listed down below. And remember, the sale starts on Monday, November 21st, and it goes through Monday, December 1st. Oh, and I also want to say that if you're looking for a second income, Thrivalist is a great way to do it. Now, Thrivalist is not a multi-level marketing company. It's an affiliate company, which is different. It's run differently, though it does have one step below you. So as an affiliate, you can sponsor people one level below you. And as an affiliate, any personal sales that you make, you're going to earn anywhere from 10 to 15%, depending on your sales volume. And then you're going to earn 2% on any of the affiliates that you sponsor underneath of you. Many MLM companies give discounts to consultants or whatever. That's not typical of an affiliate. Affiliates generally don't give affiliate discounts, and that's true of Thrivalist as well. So if you're looking for discounts, that's not for you. But if you want to earn an income, if you want to add a second income or add a full-time income, that's certainly possible. It's not a promise, but that's certainly possible. Then this is a great way to do it. So if you're interested in that, there's a link at the top of the website that says referral program. There's also a link down in the description for you to join as an affiliate underneath of me. And if you do that, I'm going to have all kinds of training available for you. And so how do you sell it? Well, obviously you talk to all your friends about it, but you can set up a booth at a flea market. You can do home tasting parties, many different ways. And of course, if you have a YouTube channel, and I know many of you guys that watch us do have a YouTube channel, that's also a great way to promote it. So if you're interested in any kind of a second income or a full-time income, check out Thrivalist. It's a great deal. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.